Kanti-ke ompetha be-DStv Premiership iMamelodi Sundowns seyimemezele ngokusemthethweni ukuthi umdlali-ke oyi-defender ovela laphana-ke kuSikhukhune United u-Asekho Tiwani sekajoyine-ke amaSundowns. Kanti-ke iSundowns-ke imemezela-ke lo mdlali emva kokuthi-ke kunabadlali already iSundowns-ke sebasayinile. Lapho ngibala khona umdlali-ke uKigeni Johannes, uKobamelo Kodisang, umgadli-ke u-Arthur Seals. Kanti njengamanje-ke u-Asekho Tiwani ovela-ke kuSikhukhune United sekajoyina iqembu-ke leli-ke leMamelodi Sundowns. Kanti-ke umdlalo oqala-ke weMamelodi Sundowns we-Betway Premiership iMamelodi Sundowns-ke izodlala neSuperSport United ngomhla ka-14 kuSeptemba kuwona-ke unyaka lona-ke ka-2024.